So here we are, Bijiinaago. All my troubles seem so far away. Bijiinaago, Bijiinaago, oh Bijiinaago, Bijiinaago. Bijiinaago, 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 oh, 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 Bijiinaago. Is yesterday in Ojibwe. Hey, welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture.
That's right.
My name is Natasha. Now please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
Oh, thank you very much. And that is our Ojibwe word of the day. Bijiinaago. Yesterday. Yeah, that was pretty good. So what do you think? What can we say about Bijiinaago? I really can't think. Yesterday. Yesterday's the past. Why you gotta live in the past, man? That was the past. That was then. This is now. Nah, just kidding. Do you live in the past?
No, I don't live in the past. You're the one who's always singing the 80s songs.
Yeah, that's kind of true, isn't it? You know, there's one thing I learned. There's one thing. And then I forgot it. No, it's true though. The older you get, the more you look in the past. I don't know why that is. The less of a future you have, I guess. You know, you get to an age when there's more days behind you than there are in front of you. And you spend all your time looking at the past. Oh, remember the good old days? The 1980s? When the music was really good. Now, Bijiinaago, yesterday. And this has been our Ojibwe word of the day. I don't know. What do you think? Should we go back, live in the past?
Nah, let's live right now.
Okay. Well, I guess that's all I have. Say, thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Nana BOOZHOO. This is Natasha. And I'll see you again. Kiga waba min, minawa. Oh,